Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Road. Road. Sukat. Sukat. Kaibigan na to, no? Puntang kaibigan na to. Puntang kaibigan. To hold the powers of the sun. Kaibigan mo ito mga kabay. Huli na naman ako. Lota na ako na to nito. Grabe ako nahuli. Meron pa, boss! Meron pa! Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Sundin yung martel na to. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Tada!
Saan talaga dito?
I was an ordinary boy
Pero taas mo dito.
until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. My life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
Oh,
Superhero.
maraming kalabaw na oh. Siguro kabaw, baka oh. Baka.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Gonna give it a shot.
Tapos na.
Only one of me to
Lapit na to.
shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
Ito yung trail nito ah.
You're a superhero.
Trail adventure na to mga bay. Ayos lang. Ito yung ride. Na-ride ko na.
Can I be
Naka-ulit na
your
ka.
superhero?
Ito
Superhero.
yung ibang grupo.
Superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero?
Lapit na eh. Okay oh.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step
Oh, sa
by
lilim.
step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,
Kailan doon?
from London to Taiwan.
Wala pa talaga sila no?
Been all around the globe,
Hindi mo,
trying to
bilisan nila.
your soul. We are heroes
Agawan natin yung baboy ng silungan.
above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And then sa Imus. Wala to.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town,
Ay,
from London to
yung baboy oh, hayahay ka dyan sa ilalim ng mga baboy oh.
all around the globe,
Kami pa lang dito.
save your soul. We are heroes tonight.